Oh my God, this is what you wanted, people. Double up in zone boost with a 260, and to start with 22, so you got a double. Yes, yes. Oh, multiply. Yes, yes, yes. Friend's wifey is here. Baozu, Zhaofu. She saw them all filled up, and she's a sucker for that stuff. So she's like, "Let me win. I can't walk by these firecrackers." Oh wow, there we go. That's a good start. Good job, waifu. Nice, nice start. No firecrackers yet, which is pretty odd, right? Can we get an iced coffee, please, with just sugar? Two iced coffees, sugar inside of them. That's it.
Just sugar?
Yeah, no, thank you. We need our iced coffee. Mother's Day weekend, and wifey is trying to win some cat food for her babies. Yeah, $3. Oh yeah, oh, $90 one, do it.
No way.
Oh,
I've never seen that
that's
big.
so big, people. Look at that. On a 176 bet. That is huge. That would have been such an epic time. And if you get that when it's like double, triple though. Well, if you get that on a double, that would be crazy, because then you have it on 2 screens. Now here come the wilds.
Well, this is an ultra spin, so
It doesn't have that great other one, yeah. It's good to try the other one. I mean, getting a lot of line hits is a good sign that something may happen, but. Oh wow. The bottom one's a good symbol. I think I got 5 aces too, that's good, yeah. Like to see that last one flashing, yeah, that's for sure. Oh, come on. This is what happened when you got the major last time. The major is pretty big on this one, so it's kind of ready. $8, yes. $10 to start. Okay.
I wonder if that's the light thing on this one. Oh, the big one.
Oh, not sure. Oh, okay.
When you get line hits, do you still get the sparklers?
Yeah. Get the sparkler with it. Oh, it popped and it was doing that. It's weird. The sound chip on this machine is pretty funny.
Yeah, it's like a little bit broken.
Yeah, because when it's doing so many things at once, it just kind of can't handle it. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought it did it. It didn't. Now they're all up there.
Can I do it on 2 cents?
Oh, whatever you think. Nope. Where the line hits go. Okay.
This one is has a lot, but
Yeah. What's the minimum at 5 cents? Sorry, people.
5 cents?
Yeah, I wonder. Oh, it's fine. We got it later. I think it's, yeah,
How much is that?
240. Yeah, that's not bad.
What?
1, cute one. I like it. Oh, do it. 1. This has 25 lines too, so the line hits are harder to hit, but they're bigger. If you get the wilds on this, it's crazy. Yeah, it's more for definitely a higher buy-in, maybe like $300-400.
That was so weird.
It's so weird. The sound just lags.
Farted or something.
Well, that was me. Oh, nice spots. Perfect 5 of a kind line there. The triangle. Oh. Boom. Boom, boom.
Should I go back to the 1 cent?
The 1 cent was showing promise. I mean, I don't know. Sometimes we go to the 1 cent because it has higher or whatever. The other ones go higher bonuses. Oh, I think this is it. Yeah. I saw.
How did you know?
I know. Both of them, please. Come on. I know. All right, wifey, you can do this. Win my money back. Wifey's in Profitsville today. Okay. Small values, but you know.
My offering.
They're offering. There's ultra spin so it can boost it.
No.
Hello, what was that? No crane yet. Or this is 176 on 2. So everything is times 2. Oh, minor. Oh, $40. Okay, I thought we keep thinking it's major.
Yeah.
We keep seeing M words today and we keep thinking it's major because she's done it before on this game.
So there's no birds?
It just flew by. Yes, downstairs. Yes, double. I don't know if it boosts the progressives. Oh, it does. Nice. It will boost the progressive.
Just add
Yeah, it just adds. It does. Yeah. That added $2 to it. That's crazy. If it multiplied it, that would be crazy. So this just adds little cute values. You want to see it, and it doesn't add it to both either. It's crazy. Okay. Okay, wifey. Okay, top shelf. It can add some big numbers too. When we saw like $9 being added, like, she's betting usually like around like it's 176. Okay. 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 Nice. And 3 spins to go. Okay. We like some bigger numbers, yes, Mr. Baozu. Good job. Oh, that's a good one. There we go. See, randomly you can just do that. And that was $10 right there. Boom, big ones. $1, $2. Okay.
Oh no!
Oh, is that the last spin downstairs? Okay, let's see it boost a bunch. Okay, just one. I mean, you did get a minor on it. That was pretty cute. Oh, okay, but it boosted a lot. A couple more. Oh, $20 one. Nice. All right, if it's gonna do anything on the last spin, that's a good one. You got some good values down there. You've been doing good on this game today. It does owe you, you know. It got the memo. Good job, Mr. Baozu. Over 100-something bucks. Oh yeah. That fun feeling when it's counting up your monies. Good job. And we got 2 coffees coming in. Oh, there's just, that's what we're doing. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers.
One backup spin on a cheap one.
One backup on the cheap one. You might as well do. Oh yeah. Wifey's funny. She loves to do like the cheap backup spin. There you go. 181. One more. $5. One more. 007. James Bond. Oh, you got another line hit.
Yeah.
That's good enough. Good job, wifey. Excellent work. Mother's Day weekend. Beautiful Red Rock Casino has been tied to us. We were at that panda machine, and he was so mean to us over there. But we're gonna look at all the machines there are. Got these beautiful chandeliers. We'll go try to find another one to play and win on. I'll bring you back with the results in the next one. Hopefully it'll be another win because we are down hundreds of dollars. We'll see you in the next video, people. Thanks for watching. All right, people. Happy Mother's Day. Wifey filled these up, and she's like, I can't leave without, you know, achieving my dream of a triple pop. And now, will her dreams be achieved? She's at the helms right here. Okay. So we might switch up the machines because there's a really big major on the other side, but she was feeling this one, 5-of-a-kind Baozu. That's pretty good. Okay, not that good. Okay. It was just one line, so What? This was your lucky bet last time, so I think at least a few of these. See, look at that. Oh. Oh my goodness, 22. It did it. It did it. It did it. I knew it. I saw it. I saw it. I know. Huge. I saw it over here. It says it right here, people, as a cheater. Oh my God, this is what you wanted, people. Double up in zone boost with a 260 and to start with 22, so you got to double. Yes, yes. Oh, multiply. Yes, yes, yes. I forgot. It's not progressive. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. One more upstairs. Downstairs. Oh, 18. Good job, Wifey. All right, good. See, this is what happens. You bet bigger, win bigger. Lose bigger too, but win bigger is what we like to say.
Oh my gosh, can I get 5 times?
Yes. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, do this, I believe. Come on. Oh, yeah. Good job. Oh, that's the smaller one. You want the red one, yeah? Oh, the green one too over here. Okay, okay. Green one. Green one. Don't be stingy.
Oh, that's on mini.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Wait, you want multipliers, yes. Mini's 30 bucks here.
What's on mine?
Yeah, not bad.
Oh.
Okay, good. That's what you needed because you wanted more spins down here and one away now. Come on, green. Okay, you got that one. That's good. 5x on those. This is a big one. You've been doing really good on this game. One more green down here, please. There's anywhere to have more chances. It's gonna be hard, but I mean, to get it in the first place is awesome.
Okay, so not only one
So yeah, one more left. You can do it though. Oh, you already did do it. That's very good. Yeah, none of those multiplied, but still, they're already so big to start. That's awesome. Good job. Nice. Good job. You're a champion at this game. The last few days, Mother's Day miracle. Yeah, on a 250 bet. Almost 200 bucks. Almost 180 bucks. That is a great job. See what happens when you listen and you bet a little bit bigger? I know baby bets are cute and they're fun. Maybe you just warm to the machine, but you did a good job. Nice. With how much you had? 88, 88, 88, and then you got it. Bam. Okay, that's great. How many ever you want? These are bigger bets I know for you that you're kind of more whatever about, and that's. If you want to cash out and go somewhere else, that's totally fine.
Yes.
Yes, good job. She wants to do baby bets. Okay, we can do some baby bets. I like it. We'll see if we can get it back to back. Some more. Yeah, you can do a few more baby bets. We want to see if we can get a. One more after this, okay. Okay, people. Oh, she wants to do one more? Okay, okay. Yeah, 6402. Okay. Oh, these are huge numbers for 8. Maybe the machine is like, I don't know, but it's. I think it's trying to show us these huge numbers. 8 is so we keep playing. Yeah, I don't know. Like, the machines don't have a brain, but they have, computer programming, and they know what they're doing. Yeah.
The numbers that came up were really big.
Huge. Yeah, the machine may be ready to pay out big, but I don't know. It depends. That's gambling.
2 more.
The 2 more. Okay. Let's get some line hits. Okay, 260. It'd be so nice to get another pop. So this is a real-time decision. We have about 3 more bets. Okay. Oh, that's good. Baozu line hit. Okay. Yeah. One more. Oh, I thought I did it. Okay, we have one more again. Let's go. One more again. Yes, at least we have a chance. Oh, it's blocking the big old line hit too, but it's small numbers now. Yeah, we got to see some huge numbers on a bigger bet, and then the numbers change on the smaller bets. But it was showing some huge numbers on a small bet. But good job to Wifey. She tried her best. She's clapping. Mother's Day magic. And we'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.